is cold, we stand surrounded. We are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. And Lord, ignite. The world is cold. We stand surrounded. We are not alone. Within my
真没想到普通的土豆放锅里炸一炸，竟然是酒店的招牌菜。去皮的土豆从中间切成2半，底部垫上筷子，再给它切成1米的薄片，然后加1勺盐，倒入清水浸泡20分钟，放入淀粉，里外都裹上淀粉，再准备一段火腿肠放中间，用牙签固定，油温5成热下锅炸，炸至金黄就可以捞出。锅中少许油，放1袋糖醋汁，熬至粘稠，浇在土豆上，一道好看又好吃的灯笼土豆就做好了。
We keep seeing their eyeballs glued to us on the sidewalk, but that look could kill. Oh, they are trying so hard to
Let's make triple layer Nutella French toast. Start by cutting the crust off your bread, then spread Nutella over 2 slices and make a triple layer sandwich, like a Big Mac. This is Big Mac French toast. Whisk together eggs, milk and vanilla and dunk the bread in the mix. Melt some butter in a pan and toast until golden brown at each side. Don't forget to toast the edges. Mix together sugar and cinnamon, then coat the French toast. Drizzle with melted Nutella and that's it. It's so warm and chocolatey and it tastes amazing. Enjoy!
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away.